If you've been searching for a Riverpark South home for your growing family, 36 Barlow Crescent is the perfect home for you. This is an original owner home that's been so well maintained over the years. It is 1,770 square foot, 2-story, has a fully finished basement, amazing landscaping. The backyard has a beautiful big deck. This is one you're not going to want to miss. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you need to see this home, make sure that you reach out and get in here for a private viewing, because this one is not going to last.